we have reached to Ortaköy. You can see the station here, and this is a sitting area from how it looks like from there. It's a wonderful view from here. This is a beautiful mosque, which is so famous in Ortaköy, and this is a big market for Tompir actually. So we're gonna explore when we, you know, actually from this boat. So this is how it looks like. This is a bridge. So we'll look at the bridge. So this is a wonderful mosque, so nice, so beautiful from here. So I will check if we can go inside, but we'll let you know. These are famous place to eat as well, and there's behind, I think there's a Kumpir market, and we go there as well. And take a view from the inside of the mosque. So we are heading to the inside. This is a bridge view over here. Ortaköy, you see the Qasim, I think it's a mosque. So it's 1853. It's built in 1853. So nice. We can shoes over here. We can put shoes over here, and let's see. Yes, we put our shoes in here, and we go. Okay. This is how it looks. This is some system for the prayer. Allah Muhammad, Umar Ali, Hussein, Hassan, Usman, Abu Bakr, mashallah tabarak.
Toplandınız bir araya, hani güzel Raziye. Oysa fakat
So guys, behind you know, there's a market from the Ottoman mosque.
Islamabad. Karachi. One more, Lahore. Do you want potato?
I'm just making video, then I come.
You sure?
Yeah. Okay. Hello.
Merhaba.
Yes, sir. So guys, there's a lot of competition going on.
Şimdi Adanalıyım da.
Yes, yes. A lot of competition is here. You know, everybody is jumping up and they want to make a video for compete. And yes, we'll see which one is good. Okay. This is it looks like this is a market where people fight, compete, and you know they want to sell the things here. And this is also a very best place to eat compete. I say it's a juice as well. Everything here.
Say hi, how are you? Where are you from? From where? Pakistan, huh? Free.
Oh, that's cool.
You know Pakistan.
Oh,
Good
that's cool.
Pakistan.
Yeah. Thank you.
I'm Kurdish. I'm Kurdish. Kurdish. I'm Arab.
Oh, that's good.
Arab Kurdistan. Yes.
So you are going to win the elections?
Living in Turkey.
Ah, that's good.
I'm Arab to Kurdistan. I'm living in Turkey.
That's good. That's good. How's business
Good.
is good?
Good. Yes.
Yeah. That's
Pakistan brother.
we are brother. Yes.
Thank you.
Inshallah, Islamic brothers.
You potato waffle.
Inshallah. I'm just making videos.
See you
and-
later. Okay.
Yeah.
Promise here.
Okay. That's,
Thank you.
Thank you.